Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to personalize your workspace board that you are working with on the Trello application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then select the relevant workspace board that you would like to customize. Then tap on the icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the same icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can see the board settings, so you can alter the name of your board by clicking on the first bar. Then you can also alter the workspace you are working in. Then select a new background color, or you can also add photos to it. Then you can show the card covers, edit the labels. You can also switch on the colorblind mode, which adds new patterns to labels, thereby making it more distinguishable than the colors. Or you can also show label names on the card fronts. You can also select the visibility of your workspace or restrict the visibility, and alter the commenting section, which means that you can restrict who will be able to comment. Only the board members, or no one will be allowed to comment, or any members of your workspace will be able to make comments. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.